It's Saturday morning. Andrew and Maria are doing their chores. Their mother has asked them to do that.
That has been a hard job for me to do. Mom has given me so many chores. I have to take the dog for a walk now.
I have come home.
But where have you been?
I have been to the grocery store.
Have you bought bread and oil?
Yes, I have. Have you fixed the faucet?
Yes, I fixed it finally. It seems to be working fine now.
I'm so happy to hear that. And have you also mowed the lawn?
No, I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to do it now.
Maria, have you seen Andrew?
He has just taken the dog out for a walk.
I see. Have you finished cleaning your room yet?
Yes, I have folded my clothes and I've put them away. I have made my bed and I have vacuumed the floor.
But you haven't taken out the trash.
Oh, you're right. I haven't done that yet.
And what about dusting the shelves?
I've already done that.
You've done a good job. Let me give you a hug. Oh, you have already come back, Andrew.
I've had such a busy day. Mom, you've given me too many chores.
I have given you the same chores as usual, Andrew. You haven't complained so much before. Has something happened?
I've had a busy week and I'm a little tired.
Then get some rest. You have done enough for today. I'm proud of you.
It's 5 p.m. Everybody is in the living room. The bell is ringing.
I wonder who it is. Mom, Dad, have you invited anyone over?
It's a surprise.
Their cousins have come over with their parents. Maria and Andrew are surprised to see them.
I'm so glad you finally arrived. We've missed you.
We've missed you too.
I've brought you some delicious cookies. Please help yourselves.
Thanks, Auntie.
We haven't seen you in a while. What have you been up to?
We've done a lot of fun things lately. We have gone sailing in a yacht, and we visited a museum. Have you ever been on a yacht? No, we haven't, but we have been on a ship once. And guess what? I have learned to swim this week. You know, I have always wanted to be able to swim. That's so great. I'm really happy for you. What about you? What have you done lately? Well, I've participated in a singing competition this week, and I've won. Wow, congrats! You have the most beautiful voice I have ever heard. So you have finally overcome your fear of singing in front of a lot of people. That's right. I have stopped being afraid now. What about you, Bridget? You said you wanted to take violin lessons. Have you started yet? Oh yeah, I have already had 2 lessons. I love playing the violin.
And I have joined a soccer team this week. You know, I have always wanted to join a soccer team.
Yes, we know that. Your dream has finally come true.
What about you two? What are your greatest dreams?
Well, my dream is to be able to go to Egypt one day. Have you ever been there?
No, we haven't, but our parents have been to Egypt. They have seen the pyramids in the desert.
And they have ridden a camel.
They have traveled a lot and they have done many amazing things.
We have only been to Mexico and Canada so far. We've been to France, and we've seen the Eiffel Tower.
Wow, that's so cool.